गाइज हमारा जो बातें विद नुक्कड़बाज का जो वीक है, इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट. Yesterday I shared a quote by Safdar Hashmi ji, and today, I thought that I must share, something very interesting on Theatre Tuesday. And it is about the play Andha Yug, The Age of Darkness. ये जो play है, it was written by none other than Dharamveer Bharti ji. It is one of the most powerful examples of modern Indian theatre, often performed on streets, in colleges, and in various places alike. What is it about? ये जो play है, it was set in the aftermath of महाभारता वॉर. हमारी जो सोसाइटी है ना, वो मॉरली तो कोलैप्स हो रही है, जिसमें कोई देर इज नो बडी हु इज विनिंग. इट इज ओनली द डिस्ट्रक्शन विच इज देयर, विच रिमेन्स. It explores violence breeds violence. There is hatred, there is violence beyond victory. And not to forget that leaders are blind with ego and revenge. एंड इस प्ले को आइकॉनिक क्या बनाता है? दैट पोस्ट पार्टीशन इंडिया ऑल्सो यूज्ड इट एज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन नेशनल ट्रॉमा एंड लीडरशिप फेलियर. It is just not a mythological play. It is a philosophical as well as a political allegory. And third, इब्राहिम अल काजी सर, जिनको फादर ऑफ इंडियन थिएटर बोला जाता है, थिएटर लेजेंड रहे हैं वो, ही ऑल्सो डायरेक्टेड दिस प्ले एंड स्टेज्ड इट एट पुराना किला. I hope you have enjoyed this piece of information with Bate with Nukkadbaz. Keep following us. Thank you.